I want to show you some transitions today.
This is a basic transition. You do this by stepping from one foot to the other as you change the direction of your foot, but continue rolling in the same line. Transitions can be very challenging, but there are a few tricks to making it a little bit easier. Use your torso to lead. Arms open and close, head turns, think of which direction your belly button is pointing as you step from one foot to the other. Don't leave your hip behind on step 2. Keep a window in the knee. The more your knees are bent, the more control you're going to have over your skates, the more stable you're going to be, and the more you're going to be able to reach out as you do your transition, which will make it a stronger transition.
If you're still having trouble doing the stepping transitions, try and do your second step out in front and to the side. I'm gonna pull with my toes and replace, and as I'm pulling it in, I'm gonna pick up my front foot. So reach here and pull.
If you've been struggling with transitions in a straight line, try doing them in a circle. That will decrease the angle that your hips have to open in order to turn from forward to backwards and vice versa.
So see how I put my foot down and it's not a full 180 degrees. 180 degrees would be from here to here, and there isn't a time when I'm open like this. I'm going from here, and then I'm putting this one down, and it's actually slightly in front, and it is turned out. It's not turned out all the way. As long as it isn't 90 degrees, if it's greater than 90, somewhere in between here and 180, then you're going to be good to go. If it is less than 90, well, that's not a transition. That's just going from, that's a stride. But if you put it down at 90, then that's going to be a hard stop. So if you find yourself constantly going to do a stepping transition from there to, and you're here, what you can do to make it roll is putting more weight into your heel. So as you go through, as you put this foot down, the part that's hitting the ground first is your heel. So even if you put it down at 90, if your weight is more in your heel, then you'll be able to roll through it. Okay, so that's stepping transitions, and now my lesson is here.